journey started at the terminal. After a long trip, I finally arrived at the Baguio terminal. Because I was hungry and tired from traveling, I immediately went to SM to look for a place and to eat.
Wala, nakakamiss magganyan na. Table na yan.
While searching for food, I also walked around the mall and enjoyed the beautiful view of the city from above. After eating and exploring SM, I walked to Session Road. Session Road is known as the main road in the Baguio, when you can see many shops and restaurants and different establishments. In early days, Session Road was an important place where government meetings were held during the American period. From Session Road, I walked to the town proper to ride a jeep. With the Dominican route, this jeepney passes by one of the most famous and mysterious places in the Baguio, the Diplomat Hotel. When I arrived at the Diplomat Hotel, I immediately explored the whole place. This building has a long story. In the early 90s, it was built as a retreat house for Dominican priests in 1930. As time passed, it became a school and later it was turned into a hotel in the 1970s. Today, it is known as a historical tourist attraction in the Baguio. While exploring the place, I also noticed a new tourist spot beside the hotel. I immediately went around the area and took many pictures to remember my visit there.
Ang ingay ni Justin!
After visiting the Diplomat Hotel, I went to Lourdes Grotto. Lourdes Grotto is a well-known religious place in the Baguio that is visited by many devotees and tourists. It was built as symbol of faith and it has more than 200 steps that visitors need to climb to reach the statue of the Virgin Mary. Many people go there to pray and ask for blessings. Finally, I went to the one of the most famous tourist spot in the Baguio City, Burnham Park. This park was named after Daniel Burnham, an American architect who designed the city plan of the Baguio during the American colonial period. Today, Burnham Park is a popular place for relaxing and recreation where people can ride boats in the lake, bike around the park, or simply walk while enjoying the cool breeze.
Pwede pa ba? Pagod na ako.
Overall, my trip to Baguio was full of wonderful experience, history, and beauty. Baguio is truly not only a city with a cool climate but also a place rich in culture and history.